Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. A lot of times people come and ask me questions such as what to do when Netflix tells you to install Silverlight. Some people don't know what that is, but it's a program by Microsoft and it's perfectly safe. You could just go ahead and click download on the Netflix website and go ahead and proceed with the download. Now, I already downloaded Silverlight, so Netflix doesn't ask me to do that. But if it did, it would redirect me to the Microsoft's website here, microsoft.com/Silverlight. Once you're there, you can click on download now to get Silverlight, and it'll ask you if you want to download the binary. Just go ahead and click save file. Like I said, I've already done so, so I'm not going to do it again. And after the file gets downloaded, see on my Firefox it's downloading. Just right click on it and click run after it's already downloaded. Once you run it, you should have Silverlight installed. It's very self-explanatory, and that's all there is to it. I'm Omar, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a good day.